Our second objective for today is I can solve multi-step equations using my knowledge of like terms and distributive property, which we did on Monday, Tuesday, and then last week as well. All right, just remember solving an equation is a balancing act. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. You have to make sure you're balancing it out so that you're not messing up the actual equation. You're just trying to figure out what the variable is. Okay? So when I have an equation like this, the very first thing I need to do is combine my like terms. Okay, that is first. And when I'm on the same side of the equal sign, I do not change. I do not do opposite operations. I do the same. Same side, same sign. Okay, so I'm going to combine my like terms, which are 7x and 3x. And I'm going to subtract them to get 4x minus 8 equals 24. Then is a two-step equation, which we just did. Add 8 to both sides. Get 4x equals 32. Divide by 4. X equals 8. Okay. The main goal when simplifying is try and get to a two-step equation, and then it should be super easy to finish it out. Okay. On a question like this, most people, if they make a mistake, will be because we're not distributing the entire -3. So make sure you're taking -3 and distributing it to everything. So that gives us 4x. Negative times a positive is a -3x. Negative times negative is positive 6. Okay, from here, still doesn't look like a two-step equation, so I need to combine my like terms. So I get x plus 6 equals 21. And then this is actually a one-step equation. I subtract 6 from both sides, and I get x equals 15. Okay, so again, fairly easy and a lot of review. All right, we're going to step it up a little bit. Now we have to distribute twice. So we're going to start by distributing that -5, and then we're also distributing this -5. So -65 is going to stay over here for a while by itself while I distribute and combine like terms. So negative times a negative is positive. Negative times a positive is a negative. Negative times a positive is a negative, and negative times a positive is a negative. Then I combine my like terms. So 5m and -25m are like terms. -20 and -5 are like terms. So -65 equals 5m minus 25m is -20m. -20 minus 5 is -25. From here, now I can start solving my two-step equation. Add 25 to both sides. And I get -40 equals -20m. Divide by -20. 2 equals m. Okay, again, if at any point you have questions during this, ask me. I want to be there to help you. All right, we're going to try one more. Again, same thing. We're just distributing. I want you to actually pause the video and try this before you check your answer with me. So I'm just going to give you an answer, and I want you to pause the video and write this down and try this problem. All right, so you should have paused the video and you should be back to check your answer. The answer is P equals -3. If you did not get that answer, you should probably talk to me and We can try and work out where you made a little mistake. If you got that answer, great. Yeah. So here are the problems that you need to do for your homework. You have more than enough time to definitely finish these. If you do finish these in class, I will let you know what you need to do next, or you can go back and work on your other ones if you didn't have time to do that. Again, if you have questions at any point, ask for help, please. Right? Remember to look at the homework chart, and it'll tell you when your homework is actually going to be due.